I'm going to show you how to make a basic vertical label. Let's start by turning the printer on. Now you can change the orientation before or after you've entered in your text, and the button for that is here. We have a quick change button. It's also available in the edit menu as well. So let's go ahead and use our blue shift key and tap that button, and I can toggle between horizontal and vertical. Now I'm going to go ahead and enter my text. When you're done, go ahead and press print. Perfect! That was exactly the label I needed to make. If you have questions on your LW-PX700 or want to chat about your labeling needs, give us a call. We would love to talk to you. Thanks again, and happy labeling!